Hi, my name is John and I would like to talk to you about the Camon LS42 Lawn Scarifier. Lawn Scarifiers are designed to remove moss and thatch from your lawn, which will allow the grass to thrive and lead to a healthier, greener looking lawn. Built by us in the UK, the Camon LS42 has been designed to do this job as simply and as effectively as possible. Before we get into the most important part of the Scarifier, the blades, I would like to run through some of the other key features of the LS42. First of all is the engine, and we use the Honda GX160 petrol engine. This is a 160cc engine providing approximately 5.5 horsepower. The engine is a critical part of any powered garden machine, and in our opinion is worth spending a little extra to get the best. Honda engines are also extremely easy to start, first time, every time. Another key feature of the LS42 is how the blades engage. We use a top-of-the-range centrifugal clutch. The clutch works when the revs of the Honda engine get up to 2,800 RPM. So when the engine is started, it is running at tick over and the blades will not be rotating. When you get to the area of work, simply pull the operating lever up, the revs will increase and the blades will engage. Other features as standard on the LS42 are the removable collection bag, foldable handlebars, puncture-proof foam-filled tyres and a floating front axle, which is designed to reduce scalping of the ground. Height adjustment is done with an easy-to-use adjuster linked to the front axle. Simply turn clockwise to raise the height and anti-clockwise to reduce the height. When you have the correct setting, simply tighten the lower hand wheel. With an overall width of 24 inches, you will have no problems getting the Camon LS42 through standard garden gateways. The Camon LS42 is built to work and built to last. Just add unleaded petrol and you are ready to work.